Hi, it's Tristan from PhotoRx, and I'm going to go over our rich black and white and show you how to customize your actions to really develop your own signature style. So I'm going to run rich black and white, which is one of our very favorites. It's nice and rich and contrasty. I'm going to hit play, and you have a drop down arrow here. Just click it, and you'll see there's layers underneath here that you can turn the eyes on and off. I really like that, so I'm going to keep it on. Slight bright, I think I can do without. And deepen, I like, let's see, actually change the opacity on deepen to make it even darker and richer. And I like that a lot. So I went from here to here, and I'm going to continue um, refining this. So I'm going to go to faux flatten, hit play, continue. Faux flatten just gives me a fake flatten layer of all the layers underneath. It's non-destructive, it's excellent, we love using this. I think you will too. And I'm going to use our 20/20 vision, which gives you really nice sharpness. I'm going to play, continue, and you can see how that really gives you like a nice pair of sharp glasses. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, just let us know.